Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.